So first I'm going to start off with my hair. I know I have no eyebrows on. I look crazy, but I'm going to do my hair first and then we'll get to the makeup because that's going to be really easy. So I'm going to use my Glam Seamless Extensions because I have really thin hair, and I noticed in the movie she has like really full hair. So I'm not going to use a lot of them. I'm just going to use a little bit, but it's just going to give my hair more bounce, more texture. They also sent over this bling straightener. If you want to check them out, definitely do it. They're a cool company. They're not sponsoring this video or anything, but they did send me over this, so I just want to be clear and honest with you guys. So first off, I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to brush out all the knots. My hair is a little bit greasy. So first, I'm just going to straighten my hair, and I'm going to go halfway up, clip half of it up, and then I just do two sections. So I'm just going to start on this side. Take my straightener. So I'm going to take half of this. And I'm just going to go down and just do a slight little curl at the end. So I'm just going to curl it into my face. I'm going to take the top, and then I'm just going to take my comb, get the back of it, do the same exact thing. Just curl it slightly towards your face. I'm going to take that 3-piece and I am going to go right here at my temples and go right around. I like these extensions because they have almost like a really flat like edge on the other side of where the clip is, so it almost looks like, it reminds me of like tape-in extensions a little bit, so it blends really good with your hair. This is so our hair doesn't get messed up. Whoop, whoop. So first up, I'm going to take my 4.5, and this is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I love this, and I love Precisely My Brow, but I'm out of Precisely My Brow right now because it gives you the most natural eyebrow if you have none, kind of like me. Like this one, I've been growing and it's getting better. This one will never have a brow there. It grows blonde, so I do try to dye it, but it actually grows straight up. Even though it grows straight up, it still grows blonde, so the hairs that there, it ain't happening. Just like brush them, boop boop. And I use a really light hand and I angle my brow. I angle the pen a little bit and I just follow naturally where my brow would be. It's easier on this one because I have a little bit more hair. And then I raise my eyebrows to see like where I would naturally form a arch. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to moisturize my face with a little Awake Ray of Bright. This makes your skin look really nice and bright and refreshed. I like it, and you don't need a lot, so works for me. Just going to push it in my skin. Just be gentle, you know. Make sure your face is clean too when you put moisturizer on, or it's going to lock in all the dirt on your skin and then it's going to make you break out. I used to do that. I used this for the first time yesterday, and it's the Milk Cooling Water. I'm loving it. I'll be using this every day without makeup. I think it feels so good on my face, and I love skincare. I'm really into taking care of my skin. I feel like no amount of makeup will look good if your skin is just a wreck. So trust me, I have those moments where my skin is a wreck and I pound on the makeup and I'm like, oh, I still look like shit. Why? So I just kind of put this all over my face. It feels really good. I'm gonna really appreciate this in the summertime when it's really hot out because it definitely has like a little bit of a cooling effect. Then I just take a stippling brush and push it all into my face. Make sure it's a clean stippling brush too. That way we don't pick up any germs. So my face is feeling really luminous, which I'm into. And I feel like that's what she looks like in the movie. She just looks so fresh face, and honestly, I feel like when girls don't wear a lot of makeup, it just looks so youthful, really. But I mean, it's fun to wear a lot of makeup at the same time, so. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Luminous Blur Stick. So I'm gonna put this in my red areas. And again, I'm gonna take my stippling brush and just buff it in. My skin is looking pretty glowy, and I like that I can see my freckles. So because I have a little under eye bags, I'm going to take the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. Take my finger and I'm literally just going to put it right where I'm blue. And I'm not using a lot at all. Whew, already bright. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheeks. Bling brush. And I'm using a lot of cream products because I want to look just very glowy and luminous. Then I'm going to take Buxom, and this is called Soft Whisper. And then this is their Pillow Pouts, and this just makes it look like your lips are stained, so it looks very, very natural. It just looks really good. Then all you need is your retro hat, and you got the look. Here's my final look without my hat on. It's very natural, soft. Anyone can do this look. But if you really want to get into character, I got this hat from Marshall's and A Star is Born.